Gankal me yotkom Uganda oti omoro koko Ikom Lucungu balo yu pagamento me Uganda me Lweny to Ebola matika nyama tek Uganda ikarmani Minister matidi pelo komti yotkom Margaret Muhanga owane mon Lucungu etika nywena long mapol bora nyuligana waken malupu yu mati me Lweny to Ebola pekiti lupne yo mopore dok anii mapol ti benikin pachi matika baltu teplo di yotkom me Lweny kidong jua yo nyapa to Ebola Uganda chak mapot kwere idremia bungwen Wakanini wanen matut kibot pat Robert Larubi en Ikom la kwa minister pela komti yotkom kiko Ikom Lucungu beni kitike bala Lweny Ikom to Ebola Uganda.
Minister matidi lokum yotkom monyo State Minister for Health Margaret Muhanga otiro wachilu tela tika kilo pero nywena matek tutwal ikina nywele me Uganda ikar me Lweny Ikom to Ebola kilok magen kitika katikwere maki wachi pepore.
Politicizing of the epidemic. Some politicians, including in this August House, are also confusing the public. That there is no Ebola, to quote from one politician, that there is no Ebola epidemic in this country, and this is government propaganda of mobilizing resources.
Umeteke loke kun wajane lokrongula malotela tika karokwere wego polpa joma tiki tuo mange tika reyonge chere district mokene. Iloke uchimo wang lapchui otmoga chiel Abubeka kawalia mirubaga north ma eno wachi karma eno beri lok radio mo o karoke lok ma pipore.
Honorable Speaker, the Minister of Health noted a quote from a talk show of a political leader called Abubeka Kawalia, Honorable Member for Waga North, on CBS 1st September 2022. Here
Honorable members,
is what he said, I lay on table.
Anite mong ugamo machia kun wachi.
we will need evidence to that effect, and if it is true, we will refer the member to a disciplinary committee.
Kari ni gankal mi yotkom tika Lweny matek tutwal nero kin makiti kwede pero mi Ebola lok matika kate tika wajine pero benetie malupe ki lok pachan lim. Muhanga wachigen chalo gankal mi yotkom gi karo ki billion piero wia bichel dua dek mo karangej. Ento gankal maloy lokom lim football minigi report mo kiken mamaka ki lok man.
The number of challenges that are currently affecting our response. Inadequate funding. Since the declaration of the Ebola outbreak, no funding has been provided to support the ministry in the response. In spite of a clear response plan, and this is affecting the speed of the response.
Omete kilokani karma tuo ma Ebola por kwede Uganda gamento mi billion piero wia chil tonario kuro makiporo ikabir pat. Mobende district no million mia beach kadong bene kichwalo million mia ngwen bot mobende regional hospital kadong chege gwa kasanda uno million mia dekia beach kabene bunyangabo no million mia dekia beach mikonyogi Lweny Ikom tuo man.
Members from those areas under the lockdown are advised to desist from public outreaches in their constituencies. We know you want to do politics, but for now, you should not do it to avoid getting in contact with the people who have Ebola. And as Parliament, we have issued out the SOPs.
Malupe ke lok pa minister maloy lokom yotkom miloboman Ruth Jena Cheng wachi pitia nyoli Uganda mo keken makibidiu michero katemo yaragwera migwake Ikom tuo Ebola. Pilonge ya mo chunye Wanlo TV utiano matin Fred Kajubi Gen Kipat Robert Larubi.